So we're leaving Prophet River Campground. We met a nice couple from Missouri, Mike and Sarah, and their dog Lucy, who's half Aussie and half Border Collie. Just a beautiful dog. So we hope to run into them again. They're going to be up here for 5 months up in Alaska area, so we'll probably run into them again. Who knows? This was just a great abandoned campground. It's in good condition. The roads are really good. And so there was 3 other campers here besides ourselves. One in a tent and one in a truck camper, and then our new friends in their converted bus, which they totally converted themselves. They gave us a tour. It was just beautiful inside. There's the airstrip, what you can see of it. It's the Prophet River airstrip.
Turn left on Highway 97.
Well, good morning. We're on the road again. We had a great night at Prophet River, the abandoned campground right by the airstrip. I lied last night. I thought there was a rest area at the entrance. There wasn't. That was the other spot that we were going to check out. This is just kind of a road off to the side that we had coordinates for. You can find it on iOverlander. That's how we found it. And it's right at Prophet River along the Alaska Highway. It was a very nice, quiet night. Temperature, what was temperature when we got up this morning?
Right there.
It's something like 8, I think. It didn't get that overly cold last night. It was 15 in the motorhome, so that's the warmest we've had in a few days. So today our destination is Toad River. We'll see how we feel when we get there, if we want to go on or if we want to stay there overnight. From the description, it sounds like a nice spot to spend the night, but I don't know, we've had a couple spots that sounded really nice and turned out to be duds. So, well, not for us anyway. If you had a 4x4 high clearance vehicle, you could have got to them, which we don't have. So, yeah, we're looking forward to a safe day of travel and some scenic views, and we'll see what the day brings us. So what words of wisdom does Roy have this morning?
The wisdom part left me speechless.
Roy's a man of few words, as you can tell. So we're in the Northern Rockies area, according to the sign we just passed. Anyway, stay tuned. More to come. What a view that is. Wow. Another rest area down there. There's quite a few of these little pull-offs along here. And most of them have garbage cans at them, which is nice. No excuse to leave your garbage on the side of the road. good sized animal. Another black bear. He says, what are you looking at? Little road going down there. Oh, a couple roads. That's not bad. We're getting into Fort Nelson. Looking for a fuel station. I actually have a fuels department store in there. See if I can get some batteries for the remote, for the selfie stick. No, not that I saw on the search.
For a gas station. It's kind of
Looks like maybe you can pull over up here. Well, we're leaving Fort St. John. We got some batteries for the remote on the selfie stick, so that will really help.
Continue on Highway 97.
what's coming.
Yep. Got some calamine lotion for my itchy poison ivy, which is getting much better. It's been a long week dealing with the poison ivy, but it's getting better. Just really itchy still. So I was chatting with one of the residents from Fort Nelson, and she was telling me about the evacuation. They weren't given much time. She said her daughter was given 10 minutes to pack up the kids and get out. And her daughter was told that if she didn't get out immediately, she would be charged $10,000 per child per day, which seems a little extreme, but I guess it was a pretty serious situation. The one fire got very close to Fort Nelson.
Now there's a view.
The other fire north of here burned all winter, she was telling me. It was still left over from last year. Pretty scary stuff. She said the Fort St. John and Dawson Creek had recreation centers set up for them to stay for the couple weeks that they were evacuated.
Bison on highway. That's the best view we've had so far. There's your friends up ahead.
Oh yeah, there's Mike and Sarah up ahead. There's spots here where the fire is still smoldering. You can see on the left here, the grass is burned, and we've seen on the right, I mean, we've seen on the left some spots that are still smoking. And this is close to town. You can smell the smoke in the air. There's smoke in there, you can see it.
A lot of smoke.
Oh, look at this side. Wow. You can see how recent that is. It's still smoking as well.
Well, the crews are working on putting it out.
Yeah, the crews are still working on it. They have those orange things are full of water that they're drawing water from. There's some,
A lot of smoke right there.
yeah. Well, it's burning pretty good back
there's
there.
actual flames back there.
Another water tanker. Got the hoses going into the woods. The people of Fort Nelson were just allowed to come home 2 days ago. They opened this road up. They were told on Sunday that they could go back home on Monday, and today is Wednesday, May 29th. So they were evacuated for 2 weeks. What is it?
Whole bunch of buff bison.
Oh, yeah. They're laying there.
Yeah, all the way over there. Can't get my camera.
It's getting up.
Look at the little baby there.
Yeah. They're just chilling. That was cool seeing the bison. So it's a caribou, 2 bear, and
I don't know, I've never counted.
small herd of bison. I don't know how many were there. I just noticed the one had the collar on. I didn't see collars on the other ones. So that must be the one they're tracking out of that herd. And the baby laying in the grass. So cute.
So brown compared to the
Yeah.
dark bison.
Yeah, totally different color. So they must get their darker color as they get older. It's blocked off that viewpoint. Tanker's struggling to get up the hill.
View from here.
Yeah,
But you can't stop to see it.
no. Try to capture some of it with the camera. Getting into some rock walls here. No stopping on the side.
This car's
Come
gonna
on, bud.
stop. Casey's a look out there. Wow.
That's a long way down.
Talking about snow.
Yeah, that is a beautiful peak over there. Let's see if I can capture some of this rock wall.
Those flat rocks for your rubber sign from the front one.
Yeah.
You have a
No stopping along here though. There's our road on the other side of the ravine. Wow, look at the snow cap over there.
same
Beautiful.
ones.
Same ones, just different angle.
Yeah.
So this is a rest area with a viewpoint. You can see the Rockies in the distance there. Absolutely gorgeous. Take you up and over Roy's Head. There's quite the peak over there. One of the signs here. This tells you about some of the animals. We saw the wood bison on the side of the road. We saw the caribou. We haven't seen sheep or moose, foxes. Going down another steep hill. Enjoyed a nice lunch at that lookout. Just a stunning view.
The view over there.
Yeah. We're getting into some pretty areas now. We're just over 100 kilometers from our destination. We're hoping to stay near the Toad River tonight. Hope it works out. Oh, wonder if that's that lady's cat.
It's a long ways from home.
It is a long ways from home.
It's
There
gonna
was-
get killed walking the highway like that.
There was a lady came into the area we were staying last night, and she was one of the people that was evacuated, and they hadn't seen their house cat since they were evacuated. And we just saw a house cat walking along the highway here. She didn't leave us her number though, or description of the cat.
Mountain peaks.
We just passed a couple of the wildland fire management trucks going through here patrolling. Just stunning views through here. This is just a sample of what's to come. tons of falling rock. Pretty stream on the left. Nice clear water down there.
Oh, way it's running. He's kind of scared off the road.
And then along the side,
Oh, maybe it's another one. It's a deer.
it's a deer or
No, it's a
caribou. Don't go on the road. It's a caribou.
Yeah. There it goes into the bush.
So that's our second caribou of the day. Well, you know I like things in even numbers, so it's been 2 caribou, 2 bear. There's probably 10 bison there. We didn't count them, but it was probably an even number.
No, it's 9.
It was 9. We gotta see one more bison then to even it out. Oh, me and my even numbers. When I go to the grocery store, I buy things in even numbers. I've done that for years. Must be my OCD. Beautiful peaks there. There's snow on the side of the road. I've seen snow and ice in a couple rivers. There's some snow yet. There's a frozen waterfall over there. Try to get it in the bouncing. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow.
No place to stop, really.
No,
Well,
there's no
rocks
place
right
to
there.
stop and take a picture. There's the river we're driving beside. There's some rapids up there. It sounds so relaxing. There's that beautiful mountain peak we've been driving towards. Gorgeous. The stone wall over there, different colors. Just beautiful country.
Summit. Lake.
Summit Lake. Oh, there it is. Summit Lake with the mountains in the background. How gorgeous is that? If I could ever get the camera in the right position here to get a good picture. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, stop shaking. Color of that lake reminds me of Lake Louise.
No center line. We haven't had a center line. Whoa.
Yeah. Oh. There's a walking trail here.
You know where you're going. I guess you're supposed to park over there.
Yeah, I guess you park over. Well, you can park right there.
Yeah, right. Yep.
Enough room for 1 or 2 vehicles if they're small. Another gravel pit. Lots of gravel pits around. What is that on there? Sheep.
Yep. No cheap.
It's flashing Look at the rock faces here. Wow. Oh my. Look at this. Wow. Come on, share the road, bud.
Everybody's done.
Yeah. Look at that rock wall. Wow.
Yeah, then people have to rate on it.
Yeah, it's a shame people have to deface everything. That is a real shame. The color of that rock. This is, wow. Trying to hold the camera straight.
Still
I'm
lots
too
of
busy looking
Snow
around.
and ice down there.
Yeah, there's lots of,
No water, but snow and ice.
no, just snow and ice down in the river. Sorry, this is really bumpy going through here. The camera, I can't keep it straight. The peak of that mountain, pretty pointed. This is quite the area going through here.
Trail or something.
Yeah. Trail going back in there too. Baba Canyon, it says. There's the walking trail. Gas station is closed. There's another sheep crossing sign. We're at a rest area on the side of the road. Here comes the wildland fire management trucks. Look at those peaks behind us. Wow. That is just stunning. See any sheep? Absolutely stunning. There's a handsome dude over there.
Where?
There's the river down there. There's lots of snow.
Go on.
Lots of snow and ice. That's a long way down. Looks like parts of a vehicle down there.
Where?
Right straight down.
I don't know what it is. Garbage. Something off the truck.
Yeah, there's lots of garbage,
Maybe. Make use of
unfortunately.
lots of garbage.
You can hear the river. You can see the rapids in the distance there. 365 kilometers to Watson Lake. That'll be tomorrow's destination, Signpost Forest. Today we're shooting for Toad River. There's a good look at the river. See the rapids through there. There's some snow and ice down there. A beautiful river down there. There's a bear on the side of the road. Going across. What's he doing? That's just a young one.
Just a little one. Green lights.
Yeah. What's that? 3 bears today.
Yeah.
2 caribou. One grouse and several bison.
9.
9. I think it was 10.
No, it was 9.
I'm sure it was 10.
I counted. We'll look at the pictures later.
Yeah.
Maybe it was 7.
Look at the color of that river. Gorgeous color.
Some peaks peeking out.
Yeah, beautiful. This river is so pretty. The color of it. And it's moving pretty good too. This is the Racing River. Another ranch.
Well, it must be generators. Oh, I don't see any solar.
There's hydro lines going to it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, here's that one. There's no mower.
Toad River. Quite the view there.
Yeah, yes.
This is the Toad River airstrip on the right.
Seal coating.
More horses over there. They got a nice pasture. Down here.
Ain't going down there.
No?
Wow.
Go walk
Turn
down.
around. I think you better.
Let's take a walk
We
down.
may not get turned around down there.
The Toad River boat launch. This first entrance here is pretty steep. Just a beautiful rock wall across from it. Absolutely stunning. We can hear rock crushers, and you can see the dust over there. They're doing some kind of rock crushing. Hopefully it won't go all night. As you can see, we came in the flatter entrance. We took a walk down, and there's a nice spot down there that we're going to head to. This is Toad River Recreation Site. So this is home for the night. This is the Toad River. Lexi's getting herself all leveled up for the night. This is the first time we've used the levelers on our trip. She was pretty level to start, but we just want to make sure they still work. Just a beautiful view here. Gorgeous mountains. And the color of this water, it's really fast moving, but it's just a stunning color. I guess that's my word for the day, stunning. There's a little path down here to the water. This is the river we're beside. It's the Toad River. The mountains in the distance. You can still hear the rock crushers, but hopefully they shut down for the night. This river is really moving. Just a beautiful view. So Lexi's got herself all leveled for the night. There's the view on the other side. There's a picnic table here, a fire pit. There's a pit toilet over there. What was the pit toilet like, Roy? Nice, clean? Oh, awesome. There's the view from behind, over to the side. Looking forward to a good night here. It's pretty windy. There's one other camper here so far. Lexi's getting her windows cleaned. She's pretty dirty. It's been pretty dusty and dirty. 9 days on the road, it's to be expected. She needs a good hosing down. This'll do in the interim. You can hear the wind howling through here.
How plain's the wind chill for this night?
Oh, I don't know. I'll have to check that. Roy's heading down to the river. Get a bucket of water. He's got a rope attached, so he doesn't lose the bucket. He's got to walk very carefully on the rocks. Oh. Got himself a half a bucket of water. More?
Third.
A third.
You lose most of it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go and look at the wind
Okay.
See how clean it is.